Imagine looking at Earth not just as it appears, but as it's truly changing. To do that, we need to understand two key ideas: land cover and land use. Land cover shows us the physical features we can see from satellites like forests, rivers, and cities. But land use goes deeper, revealing how humans interact with and manage that land. When we bring these two together, we move beyond simple observation and start to truly understand environmental change. Now think of Earth through two different lenses. One is the physical lens. What satellites capture? Raw landscapes untouched by interpretation. The other is the human lens, where we overlay roads, boundaries, and planning decisions. It's only when we combine these views that we can fully understand not just what the Earth looks like, but how it's being shaped by human activity. At first glance, land cover and land use might seem similar, but they answer very different questions. Land cover, derived from satellite data, tells us the physical state of the land. Land use, on the other hand, depends on human data, policies, planning, and socioeconomic factors to explain intent. In simple terms, land cover tells us what is there, while land use tells us why it's there. When we compare the two side by side, the differences become even clearer. Land cover gives us accurate, real-time physical data, but it lacks context. Land use provides that human context, but may not reflect what's actually happening on the ground right now. That's why combining both is essential for a complete and reliable understanding of any landscape. Every land use decision, no matter how small, creates real environmental impacts. Replacing wetlands with development can increase flood risks. Dense urban areas can trap heat, creating urban heat islands. Industrial zones affect air quality, while expanding cities and farms disrupt wildlife habitats. These micro-impacts show how human choices directly shape environmental outcomes. But understanding space isn't enough. We also need to understand time. By looking at past data, we can evaluate earlier decisions. The present helps us assess current conditions. And by analyzing trends, we can predict future outcomes. This ability to move from observation to anticipation is what makes GIS such a powerful tool for planning and sustainability. What's even more important is that these changes don't happen in isolation. They form a continuous loop. Human decisions alter the physical landscape, which then leads to environmental consequences. These consequences influence future policies and actions, creating an ongoing feedback cycle between people and the planet. Today we have the tools to take this even further. With open data from organizations and advanced modeling technologies, we can create digital twins of the Earth. By combining land cover with land use, we can simulate future scenarios, helping planners anticipate impacts before decisions are made, and ultimately build more resilient and sustainable systems.